Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get Void Shard collection in Raid Shadow Legends. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the shop option in the bottom left corner. Now swipe to the left and here you can see the Void Shard option. Tap on it. Now tap on the buy button and complete the payment information in order to buy Void Shard. After you complete your purchase, you'll receive it right away. So that is how you can get Void Shard collection in Raid Shadow Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.